I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it almost an hour drive just because of the snow.
Oh my God!
Take me home! Oh my God!
I'm out there perking and hoe got me bust. I got this drink in my hand and no touch.
He needs some milk.
This video is a fucking fail, gang. Alright, see me, gang. So right now we in the snow, man. As what y'all can see, man, I'm trying not to get the camera. Hold on, I gotta go run to the garage. As y'all see, man, we in this snow, bro. The freaking scat is stuck, bro, in the driveway, bro. I'll try to go do some snow content. The wetness and junk. What the snow caused the car to get stuck, so the car is stuck. We trying to get the car right now. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it to go slide in the snow, cause I gotta get some gas too. Almost an hour drive just because of the snow.
Oh my God!
Not a lot of snow, it's just bad out. My car is stuck, bro, like literally. Y'all, well, look at this, bro. We got stuck right here, gang. Look, this don't make no sense. So we finna shovel it out real quick and I'm about to bag the car. We in this snowstorm, man. It's bad. Look at the road, man. We stuck.
He needs some milk.
Stuck already, gang. You gotta learn how to drive in snow, like they let people around us. Y'all, this is serious. Like this. Oh my God, they would come up. Don't come across. No. Oh, dummy. Like you see cars coming. Drivers is what you gotta watch out for. Look all the traffic behind us, bro. They probably like this nigga. We gonna see if the main road's better, but right now these roads are terrible. We literally doing 16 and we're going to the gas station. Shit. Like we gonna put our hat in, bro. I ain't got nobody next to me, gang. Don't come next to me. Dear right, gang. Oh my God, look like we're at the gas station. Bro, we might not even get out of this, bro. This shit bad, bro. Look at the main road. Got up in here. Bro, we gotta put the car in sport mode so the car can get through here, guys. Oh, fuck! I ain't gonna lie, I'm low-key kinda scared, bro. We finna get some gas, bro. We got a low fuel, bro. This might be a long drive, bro. But it's so much. This shit not even cool. We should not be outside. Nigga, no, you see somebody calling this nigga. This nigga Nick lame as hell on my day. Lame as hell. You watching this, you lame as hell. I'm scared of this, I ain't gonna lie. Hello?
Yo.
How long y'all gonna be there?
Shit, I ain't gonna lie, twin. I don't even know, twin. We here, but I don't know how long I want to be here.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Nigga, we keep getting stuck and shit.
This shit serious, bro. We not linking up with gang, bro. This shit is crazy.
Come on now, dog.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Don't come to Michigan, nigga, in the wintertime. Look at the top of the car, bro. Nigga, all this shit is slush, nigga. Straight slush.
Oh fuck!
Nigga, I could do the Michael Jackson. How they drive on these roads, bro, in these cars? Oh! We wasn't able to link with Nick. That's how dangerous this junk is. Like, we come out here getting content for y'all. This junk could get dangerous, bro. If my front tires was straight, I would've went. I don't got like winter front tires. But we finna go to a parking lot. I might go to Sam's so I can fill up my tank so I can have extra weight in the back. All right, this about to be a tough part. Get out this bitch. This ain't no motherfucking. This ain't no game, bro. I really gotta put my driver skills on. Nigga, I'm about to dog this through here. Watch this. I'm sliding off this bitch. No cap. I'm just gonna put my hazards on, cuz. Look how slow that nigga drive. We ain't no motherfucking blizzard, bro. And it's finna get worse because it's finna get cold. All this shit go freeze up. So when this light turn red, we go. Talk about, nigga. My stereo like it's floating in the air, bro. Like this I'm like I'm driving on rocks. Every time I hit the gas, my car spin. No cap. This F350 but a move, gang. Move, man. Yo, we taking all side streets to get to where we need to get to. I can't do this main road jump, and we already stuck. I think you're trying to help me. He blocked off the road. I can get out of there. This shit bad. This shit not even sweet, cuz. Well, we just got stuck again, boy. Might not be able to get to where the hell we need to go to do this video. I ain't gonna lie. Oh my god. Bro, we stuck. Damn. Oh my god.
Yeah, you close as hell.
I got it.
No, you don't.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Drive. Here, I'm gonna give you a push.
I'm about to do this, young gang.
That tire on the curb. Yeah.
All right, y'all, we had to switch to GoPro, you feel me? Right now, we got my brother, we stuck in the snow. Like, I don't know how we finna get out the snow. I might have my brother get a reel here.
I'm getting hit with all type of big balls.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Bruh. All right, y'all, we got out of there without no push. Car, like, won't even go, bro. We not functional in eco mode, bro.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
It's thunder, nigga. This shit right here is nuts, bro. My car is literally cutting power, y'all. Y'all hear it? Look. That's why the traction light coming on. This the only place I know is wide at that we can actually run donuts in the hood. It's a car right here. Try to get off the slide. Bro, this might be a fail game.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Can't even slide in this shit, bro. Bro, I keep getting stuck, bro.
Bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Huh? It was stuck. Yeah. Huh?
Hey, yo, what the?
It was stuck. We trying. That keep getting stuck. It's a car coming up behind you. Yeah, that shit is straight on. Yeah. Yeah. Nigga, I don't know where the f to go, nigga. Nigga, ain't my fucking fault. Your shit. Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Oh my God! Of me not giving up.
He needs some milk.
This video is a f***ing fail, gang.
Don't you have some consideration for your fellow member? It's cold as fuck out here.
Bro.
Of me not giving up.
If I get it cold, it's because of this nigga.
Oh my f***ing God, y'all. It just literally thundered, bro. It just literally thundered, gang. Look at my pants, bro. So I gotta put y'all on the GoPro, man, because my camera keep getting wet. Cause this shit right here is crazy, nigga. Look at this shit, gang. I'm getting out after this, though. I ain't gonna lie to you. Should be able to get out now. All I need is to slide over now. I'm taking the f off. I'm going home. All right, y'all. We finna go on Instagram Live. I'm stuck. Look at my cameras all dirty and junk. I'm stuck, man. Oh, somebody trying to come to help me. Oh my God, I'm stuck. Yeah, I just shoveled all the what you call it right here. I should be able to get out right now though.
Oh, okay. All right, well, I'll stop and help.
I appreciate it. Here, help this.
He needs some milk.
Listen here, motherfucker. I've been helping you.
Bro, I'm alive right here.
Nigga, if I get
I'm
a
about
cold,
to slide out this bitch,
if I get a
nigga.
cold,
Oh shit. And now he got stuck trying to help me, so we need to help him.
nigga, I'm cold as shit.
He got it. I got it too. Watch this. Watch this though, lie. And CMB gang on my head too right now, you feel me? Watch this. Again. This bitch useless. We in a blizzard, nigga. Huh?
Try to push it.
Push it. Hey, look, I ain't never drive this to the snow again. It's over with.
Man, shut your ass up, nigga.
It's just the fucking slush on this shit. Like, it's crazy. I should have put my bang in the back. I bet y'all have caught all grip.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Got some fucking gloves in there, nigga?
Nah, nigga. Oh my God, gang. Oh my God. I'm about to dead ass hawk this through here like a truck. I need a truck hawk, nigga. This scat. We in this bitch flat out stuck, nigga. Say what up, though, the CMB gang, nigga. We stuck, nigga. Wait. I got it. I think.
Nigga, push.
Nigga, I'll try not to.
Fucked up.
Oh my God. Help! Help! Windows keep fogging hot ass breath. I'm going through it, nigga. My clothes wet.
You just
I
knocked
can't see shit out the car. The windows all fogged up. I ain't gonna lie. After this year, I need a track coat, bro. I'm about to rage, bro. I'm about to go back on the GoPro, man. Let them go by. They gonna get stuck too. Well, they got front wheel drive. Nigga, and then I got racing tires on the front of it.
My hands caught here.
I'm still, bro, I've been stuck for like 30 minutes, bro. This whole video is stuckness. Nigga, cars coming. They could get by smooth and shit, but I can't. Huh? This ain't going nowhere, gang. Yo, bro, they ought to go for probably like, what the fuck? Nigga, this shit ain't going nowhere, bro. I'm stuck in this shit. I don't even know how to get out this shit. You motherfucker, back up.
Man, sit your dumb ass down and shit.
What the fuck we gonna do, bro? People keep coming by and shit. We gotta shovel this shit out. Come on. I'm about to call Mo, bro. this footage finna be, bro. I ain't gonna cap to y'all, bro. I'm sick and tired of being stuck. Push, nigga! What the fuck is you going? Push! Nigga, yo, stuck, nigga. I'm gonna continue this video tomorrow, bro. I'm going home, bro. Bro, we been stuck like for a fucking hour, cuz. And we still got a possibility that we might get stuck. This shit was a bad idea, bro. Hey, y'all, I'm gonna get the fuck out the hood and go home, bro. Oh, fuck! I'm so heated right now, bro. This car done got stuck over 5 times, bro. I got stuck right in front of my house, bro. A freaking stranger on the street had to help me get out, bro. He helped me get out. I got into the driveway, got stuck again, so I have to get myself unstuck. Then I look in the crib. We ain't got no motherfucking power. Oh my god. We ain't got no fucking power. And one thing that's another, bro. Like, I'm mad because now y'all won't be getting no video. Make sure y'all follow my Instagram at cmblilfraent because y'all won't be getting a video because I don't even know when the power gonna be good. I'm gonna have to go to somebody else's house. I got a power converter that I use for my lights, so I make an edit in my car because this car is not moved. I'm right in front of the garage. They big one, you going to the garage. You keep getting stuck. Thing is, my power, I don't know when it's gonna be on, so I might have to go to somebody else's house. Can't work with no fucking food. The power went off as when they was helping me move my car inside the goddamn fucking driveway. I heard a big boom. I'm like, something hit my car. Fucking wire and fell over there. Like, this video was complete fail, y'all. Crashed my fucking scat into a curve and shit. I'm irritated right now, bro. Sitting in the car charging up my phone. Charger moving slow as hell. It's below freezing outside. And then y'all see we change locations, you feel me? It's like -1 outside. You got the scat right here started. I've been having to start it for a little minute. We finna go to Buffex, man. It's literally below freezing outside. Like, this is ridiculous. So look at the dang pedometer. My junk say low fuel. Gas ain't nowhere near low in this car, bro. I might do a little bit of snow drifting, bro. Got 10 miles per gallon. Content be getting kind of slow in the wintertime, you feel me? But as y'all can see, I am on the snow, like. Oh my god! I'm on the snow, man. But it's cold. It's so cold, I can't even record. Like, I had to take care of everything. I had to get my dog right and all that. Now we finna go to Buffex, man. If I find something like a parking lot or something during the way of going to Buffex, I will be doing like some donuts or something. Like, we don't find a parking lot, we ain't doing none of that. Oh, right now we finna go to Buffex. I'll be back to see how when we get to. What? Hey, we in yeah! I love this! Yeah.
They perking and hoe got me bust. I got this drink in my hand and no touch. These bitch you group, bitch watch you touch. Yo, he tryna beat me, he know that he rest. Call that 4K mini fuck nigga bust. Shoot at your face, turn the fuck nigga ugly.
Alright, y'all, this gonna end the YouTube video. I know y'all see my cigarette, and this is a cigarette. It's going through depression. And look at my car, bro. My whole car is ice. Oh my god! Ice. I don't even know how I happened. Don't ever wash your goddamn motherfucking car in the goddamn cold. If below 0 all these beat me wash this motherfucker. Don't wash your car. Man, I got it be a whole paint job. It be up, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this dumbass YouTube video. It was just retarded. This all through the video. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, and subscribe. It's been your boy CMB Cat, goddamn bros, goddamn hole. Look at that. Look. But what I first do, got my bag.